Alright. Time to feed the viewers. Feed the viewers. Alright, I got something for them. Alright. Time to put some content out. Oh, by the way, hello viewers. Me again. And it's another beautiful day. Hope your 5 senses work. Health and strength is good or excellent. Yep. Alright. What do I have for you viewers? You know, gotta keep the ball moving around here. As usual. Okay, let's see what we got on Steam here. Yeah, Steam. Listen to this. Epic Games CEO says Steam and other digital marketplace should remove the Made with AI label. Epic Games CEO Tim Sweeney has agreed that digital marketplace such as Steam should drop the Made with AI label for video games. Says here, Epic Games CEO Tim Sweeney has pushed back against the idea of Game Store informing customers that titles have been creating with the help of artificial intelligence. Steam recently adopted the tag Made with AI for titles listed on its online marketplace, with the goal being to inform customers if the games they are considering purchasing was made with the assistance of AI, as many people feel the involvement of AI in game development and art in the general is wrong for a multitude of reasons. It says here, regardless of whether these reasons are justifiable or not, AI is here to stay, and according to Epic Games CEO, the label is pointless as AI is going to be involved in one way or another in nearly all future productions. Sweeney responded to an X post calling for Steam and other digital marketplace to drop the Made with AI label, writing, agreed, and that the AI tag is only relevant to art exhibits for authorship disclosure to digital content licensing marketplace where buyers need to understand the right situation. And it says here, Sweeney respond to a commenter stating that customers deserve to know if a game has been made with AI or not, writing, why stop at AI use? We could have mandatory disclose for what shampoo brand the developer uses. Customer deserve to know, LOL. Anyway, look, man, I think Made with AI, I think it's good to have it though, to let you know. I think the first game they tried the AI. I think the first game that was made with AI was Forza Horizon 5. Yeah, he has a point, you know. Yeah, but Tim Sweeney has a point, but then Valve is letting the consumers know what they're about to get into. So I don't blame Valve for doing that. But anyway, what else we got on the gaming news here? See, I'm just browsing here. What's this? Okay, 1xplayer. See what 1xplayer is doing here. It says here, 1xplayer announced 200 price hike for the 1X Fly Apex gaming handheld. Okay, how much are they selling this for? Let's see. Anybody commented on this? Nope. Yeah, got you guys, man. Let's see what they're talking about here. How much is the original price? What do they have it for? Let's see. Okay, all right. So what's the price? Okay, so give us the price. You're going through all this, but where's the price? Oh, this thing's for iPhone. Man. Okay, let's see here. Nope. Guess they don't have it. Okay, move on to the next. See what else we got here. Okay, tech power ups. What you have? Gotta keep you guys informed. Let's see. What's this? KDE what's this? KDE Plasma Linux DE drops X11 support in 6.8 release. says here KDE Plasma 6.5 recently launched, bringing with it a host of fixes and qualities of life upgrades, along with some visual tweaks to make the desktop experience feel more polished. Now, however, KDE has officially announced that it will officially stop supporting the X11 session as of the release of KDE Plasma 6.8, which is slated to launch sometime in late 2027 or 2028. KDE has confirmed that the X11 season will be supported until 2027. Anyone who still relies on X11 for legacy or feature support at that point in time will be required to use X-Wayland for those apps. KDE says that dropping X11 support will allow the development team to move faster to improve stability and functionality without the bloated X11 protocols holding back development. And it says here, at the time of writing, there are still compatibility issues with X-Wayland and performance in common complaint for Linux users, especially those who game on their Linux PC using tools like Proton or Wine. One other major point of contention when it comes to Wayland is compatibility and performance on NVIDIA's GPU, and in case where the proprietary NVIDIA driver doesn't offer support for X-Wayland almost exclusively, an issue with very old NVIDIA GPUs, KDE recommends using the open source Novi driver. Curiously, KDE in-house application like Kate and Kden Live will continue to support X11, although it's unclear how long this support will be offered. In the meantime, KDE plans to fill in some of the other gaps in its Wayland session, like incomplete accessibility options, and encourages users to submit bugs reports for missing features or special requirements. So yeah, that should hold you guys for now. Alright, on to the next. Yeah. On to the next. Let's see what's okay. Games Radar. What do you have? Got anything on Linux? Okay. Let's see. All right. Keep moving. Let's see what is keep you guys in the loop here. Okay. Tech for Gamers. What you have? Okay. What's this? Next Tomb Raider reportedly set in open world in India with Prime Lara Croft. All right. What's this? Let's see. So, all right. What's this on? Cyberpunk 2077 sequel to feature Chicago as its location teases Mike Pondsmith. Anyway, CD Projekt Red is moving along, you know. Anyway, let me keep it Linux and keep it moving here. I'll get back to that in a minute. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, video cards. What you have on Linux? Linux. Okay, nothing. All right, keep moving. Let's see. Okay, polygons. What you got? Okay. Let's see. Okay. Nothing. Okay. Yeah. That's for the Linux users here. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Keep moving. I'm on OCR 3D. Okay. Oh, I hear something about Steam. Yeah, got you guys. It's about Death Stranding. It says here, Death Stranding 2 has been rated for PC. Death Stranding 2 has been rated for PC, and its official reveal could be imminent. Death Stranding 2 on the Beach has been rated for PC by ESRB, all but confirming that a PC version of game is in the works. This has always been expected, as while Death Stranding 2 is a PlayStation 5 exclusive, the first Death Stranding launched on PC 8 months after its PS4 release. There are rumors that Death Stranding 2 will be revealed for a non-PlayStation platform at this year's The Game Awards. The Game Awards will be hosted on December 11th, acting as an ideal reveal event for Kojima production. Hideo Kojima holds a lot of star power within the gaming industry, so having him at the Game Awards would be a big deal for the event. And it says if these rumors are true, Death Stranding 2 could be coming to PC in early 2026 like its predecessor. We expect the game to be available on PC, on Steam, and Epic Games Store. On PC, the game could feature more advanced visual than the game's PS5 version. Furthermore, it's likely to support PC-only features like AMD FSR4 and DLSS. Alright, keep moving here. Alright, anything else on the Steam front? What's this here on the Linux front? Let's see here, what's this? Okay, here's another one. Say memtest 86 plus 8.0 has arrived, and I am afraid to use it. Memtest 86 plus 8.0 is here, but it's now the time to stress test memory. The only reason why he's complaining is because of the price of memory. Watch this. It says here memtest 86 plus version 8 has been released. A new update for open source memory tests. This is the go-to tool for DRM stress testing and error finding, being operable outside of a PC OS on both UEFI and legacy BIOS system. That said, given how expensive memory tests has become, given how expensive memory has become, I am now afraid to use it. Version 8.0 delivers support for the latest AMD and the latest Intel GPUs and a huge range of other improvement. It is currently unknown what these test CPUs are, as memtest 86 Plus already supports AMD and Intel current generation Zen 5 and Arrow Lake CPUs. One major improvement for users is having a single binary that works on UEFI and older BIOS system. DRAM temperature reporting has also been added. Below are the tools change notes. It says here version 8.00 changelog. Add supports for fast test Intel CPUs. Add support for the latest AMD CPUs. Faster detection for many core CPUs. Add temperature reporting on DDR5. Add optional dark mode. Fix DDR5 XMP 3.0 issue. Better bad RAM support and reporting. Better SPD detection on early ICHS. Better support for VTXXX serial console. Various refinements for long synop arch and bug fixes and optimization. It says here, why am I afraid to use memtest 86? I will start by saying that there is nothing wrong with memtest 86 Plus. It's hugely valuable tool, and having the ability to stress test memory outside of an OS environment is fantastic. So why am I afraid to use it? Well, look at the cost of new memory kits. DDR5 memory price have more than double over the past month. For many, DDR5 memory has become one of the most expensive parts of their system. 80 to 90 32 gigs DDR5 memory kit now costs over 200. Then it says that fact alone makes me anxious about putting any of my memory under unnecessary stress tests. As much as I appreciate having a thorough stress test system, I am not eager to punish one of my system's most expensive component unnecessarily. Anyway, sounds like excuses, but anyway, keep moving here. Let's see what else I got on the news. Yeah, gotta get you guys, man. Okay. Alright, keep moving. Let's see. Game developer. Let's see what they have. Alright, keep moving here on the Linux front here. Let's see. Whoops. Gotta keep moving on this. Oh, 15 minutes? Okay. Got plenty of time. Okay. Alright. Let's see what we got here. On the Linux front. Anything? Nothing? Okay. Oh, here's something. Ubuntu. Yeah. Keep you Linux folks informed here. Listen to this. It says here Ubuntu 26.04 LTS will throw out 2 old apps for more swanky alternative. Canonical has announced that Ubuntu 26.04 LTS will switch out 2 long-standing applications with new picks. It said that the goal of the switch is to implement modern applications that are more consistent and easy to use, that fits in naturally with the rest of the desktop environment. The 2 applications being switched out are the Totem Video Player, which is being replaced by Showtime, and Genome System Monitor, which is being replaced by Resources. Both of the new applications are built using GTK4 and libadwaita for seamless integration with the desktop. Showtime has an immense user interface, and it's a Genome Core app that is already replacing Totem upstream in Genome 49. On the other hand, Resource is a community-made tool that is a part of Genome Circle. It is a simple but powerful monitor that displays hardware usage as well as listing and terminating graphical apps and processes. Canonical went with Resources over another alternative called Mission Center due to its superior accessibility support, making it a better fit for an LTS release. And it says here you can install both of these applications in Ubuntu right now without waiting to get Showtime in Ubuntu 25.10. Just run sudo apt install Showtime. For Resource, you can get it from FlatHub. If you find that you do not like the new app choices, Totem and Genome System Monitor will remain available to install from the Ubuntu archives. When Ubuntu 26.04 LTS is released next year and you upgrade, the 2 new apps will be installed alongside the old app. If you want to remove the old app, you will need to do so manually or just keep them, but they won't be there in a new install. And it says Ubuntu 26.04 LTS is due for release in April, and is codename Resolute Raccoon as a long-term support release. It will get updates for 5 years, taking support out all the way to 2031. Alright, you Ubuntu lovers, there. Now, what else we got? Keep moving here. Let's see, Minecraft Mounts of Mayhem updates gets December release date. Alright, let's see when is this coming out here. Okay, when is this December release date? Oh, December 9th. Let's see, the Minecraft Mount of Mayhem is releasing across PC, console, mobile devices on the Bedrock edition as well as the PC Java edition, December 9th. Let's see, do they have a trailer here on this? Nope. Anyway, keep moving here. What else? Alright, keep moving here. Okay, Tom's. Okay, E-Technics, what you got? keep moving. Okay. Nah. Okay, Tom's Hardware. What you got? Gotta keep you guys in the loop. You know. Just gotta do it. Okay, Black Friday. Okay. All right. I get it. Black Friday. There was something about a hard drive that was in this that caught my attention that I need to get to. Where is it? Okay. Oh, here we go. For you hard drive lovers, listen to this. It says here, Seagate archives a whopping 6.9 terabyte storage capacity per platter in its laboratory. 55 terabytes to 69 terabyte hard drives now physically possible. Seagate is squeezing as much capacity out of its HMR technology as it can. It says here, hard drive remains a vital component in building high-capacity storage solution, especially in the data center. Its Holmes reports that Seagate is continuing to break barrier on how many terabytes can be stored on a single hard drive, and has archived or achieved a whopping 6.9 terabyte per platter in its laboratory, making 55 terabytes to 69 terabyte hard drives a possibility for the first time. It says your Seagate experimental 6.9 terabytes platter boasts more than double the capacity of platters it uses in official products right now. Outgoing models such as the Seagate 30 terabyte HAMR or HAMR HDD uses 10 3 terabyte platters to reach maximum capacity. With 6.9 terabyte platters, Seagate will be able to build drive with more than double the capacity of its outgoing drives in the same form factor. Then it says Seagate is leveraging its heat-assisted magnetic recording (HAMR) technology to deliver its 6.9 terabyte platter. If you want to check out how Seagate HMR technology works, check out our previous coverage. In a nutshell, HAMR uses heat-induced magnetic coercitivity to write to a hard drive platter. In Seagate outgoing drives, this tech is combined with Mosaic 3 Plus to reduce the media grain size compared to typical HDD platters. And then it says, however, these 6.9 terabyte platters are still in development and are not planned to be used for another 5 years. Seagate roadmap revealed that 6.9 terabyte platters won't be used in official products until 2030. In the meantime, Seagate is working on developing 4 terabyte, 5 terabyte, and 6 terabyte platters that will enter production in 2027, 2028, and 2029, respectively. But the company won't be stopping there. Its projects that will have 7 terabytes to 15 terabyte platters available from 2031 onwards. Assuming nothing changes, Seagate could likely have petabytes size hard drive before 2040. Says here, Seagate continues improvements in hard drives capacity will be vital to keeping up with the increased demands for hard drives. Despite the rise in SSD maturity, hard drives are still the backbone of the world's long-term storage, thanks to better reliability and for superior storage capacity drives. For the most part, and storage capacities per dollar, hard drives reliability has only improved as the AI boom gobbles up hard drive hoarders, leaving HDD manufacturers with a 2-year back order on hard drives alone. Luckily, this problem has mostly been regulated to data center drives for now. If you are looking to pick up a new hard drive right now, be sure to check out our best Black Friday HD hard drive deals for 2025, which includes a 24 terabyte Seagate Barracuda discounted to just $239.99 at the time of writing. Yeah, Especially, yeah, you're gonna need hard drives now, especially now with Game Pass getting so big now. Yeah, with cloud gaming taking off. Yeah, you're gonna need them. All right, now what else we got here on the gaming news here? Got to keep you guys in the loop. All right, did I went through everything already? Let's see. Okay, Phoronix, what you have? Anything? Okay, I covered KDE already. Okay, here's something. Vulkan, the tribunal has spoken. Anyway, so they're messing around here. Says here's one. Says here, NVIDIA is interested in helping bring in Vulkan video to Chrome. And it says NVIDIA engineers are interested in helping Google bring Vulkan video, accelerated GPU video decoding to Chrome/Chromium web browser. The Chrome/Chromium web browser on Linux has mostly been centered around the video acceleration API, and then it says in parentheses VA/API for GPU accelerated video decoding. But NVIDIA Linux official driver doesn't natively support VA API and thus requires alternative like this NVIDIA VA API driver built atop of NVIDIA and NVDEC interface, but it's looked like NVIDIA is now willing to commit resources to help Chrome/Chromium support Vulkan videos for better cross-vendor and cross-platform video acceleration approach. Says here, since February 2024 has been this Chromium feature requested seeking Vulkan video decode support by Chrome/Chromium. There hasn't been much activity until this past week when an NVIDIA engineer stepped up offering to help port Vulkan video to Chrome Codec 2.0 and then API interface. It says a Google engineer responded that they don't have any current plans for Vulkan video decoding, but they wouldn't be opposed to a community contribution of it. A follow-up comment also mentioned that NVIDIA customers are interested in Vulkan video to help in the video acceleration experience, especially for ARM64 Linux desktop. Supporting Vulkan video would be great across hardware/driver and operating system. Another comment on that ticket in the past week reaffirmed NVIDIA interest in helping collaborate on Vulkan video support in Chrome, but with some pending technical question for going about the implementation. Hopefully this will work out and NVIDIA will be able to help providing Vulkan video decoding support for the Google Chrome/Chromium browser, at least on Linux. Yeah, this article is on Phoronix. So yeah, you Linux users, you're good. Yeah, had to get that out of the way real quick. Just 28 minutes. Okay, good enough. So yeah, that should hold you for now. For now, until next time. Yeah, got you guys covered, man. Yeah, gotta take this serious. So even though today's a holiday, still gotta put content out, regardless. Yeah. Anything else on this? Let's see here. Let's go take one from Tech for Gamers here. Probably do one of them. Take one. Let's see. Okay. Let me do this Tomb Raider here. And this Tomb Raider, she looks mean. The other one, she looks feminine. This one, she's a meanie. Anyway, let me stop playing here. Let's see. Oh, stop it. Okay. Alright. This is, come on now. Okay, it says, next Tomb Raider title heavily reworked to improve character features like Lara Croft at her prime. Yeah, but she looks aggressive in this one. At her prime, she's a meanie. Anyway, so you're messing around here. Yeah. Anyway, come on now. Don't freeze up on me. Alright. Says the multiple waves of layoffs at Crystal Dynamics this year have made fans skeptical about the state of its Tomb Raider game, as there has been no release date announced over the years. The AAA title is being developed using Unreal Engine 5 with Amazon Games as its publisher. However, a massive scoop by a reliable insider suggests that the project is safe after all. V. Scooper on Twitter clarifies that the project has been heavily reworked to improve the character's. Lara Croft is also portrayed as at her prime and her career peak. Says why it matters. Says the new scoop confirms that the AAA Tomb Raider experience being developed in Unreal Engine 5 is still alive and well, despite these being no mention of a release date for many years. And then it says the trusted insider reiterates on Twitter that the new Tomb Raider title is set in an open world. It will feature biomes like harsh desert cliffs, abundant jungles, and icy mountains. Additionally, this will be paired with Lara more agile, expressive traversals. Says here, so we can expect Lara to be more acrobatic and mature. Right. Says here, as the game will also offer more strategic ways to deal with enemies non-lethally, there will also be motorcycles for traversing around the world. Tomb Raider's story also revolves around forming alliance with in-game characters and learning the importance of teamwork. Says the narrative will allegedly be about Lara hunting Ashoka, mythical weapons that grant conquest power, racing against the society of raiders and other rivals to find power relics. And then it says leaks last year also revealed that Crystal Dynamics Tomb Raider takes place in North India. V. Scooper is a trusted Hollywood leaker who has also been revealing interesting scoop about the Tomb Raider project over the years, although we suggest taking the report with a cautious optimism until official confirmation. And that is that. And it says, do you think Tomb Raider game by Crystal Dynamics will be a success? Well, that depends on what you mean by success. I mean, you know, Crystal Dynamics, you know, they were known to be the developer behind the Avengers, and you know, they didn't follow the blueprint that was out there, you know, laid out by Superman, the Superman games, and the Activision superhero games, and of course DC Universe and Batman Arkham Knight and Spider-Man, and they about another project, Perfect Dark, and that got canceled. So now they're working on Tomb Raider. So only time will tell if the game will be successful, you know, if they learn from their previous endeavors, you know. So we'll see. But other than that, you guys are good though. News, deals, games, update, the usual. So I'll keep you guys in the loop and keep you up to date. So hope that was good enough for you. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.